Okay, Sophia, let's continue now. What we need to do now?
We need to take our sprite.
To add our sprite. Okay, take the mouse. So where we can add sprites?
We should go to sprites, but not these sprites.
Okay.
So we go back, and then
what we will do?
We'll choose upload sprites.
Upload sprite. Okay, and then we will add our first character. We call it Ro-Byte.
But it's so big.
Uh-oh, look what happened. I accidentally moved the backdrop. So what we need to do?
We should press.
I will press over here and it will put it in the middle. But where is the sprite now? Where is our Ro-Byte? It's not visible. So what I will do here, in this place where is a show, I will click to be visible. Okay, and I will try to click and drag. Now it's too big. What we need to do to change?
The size.
The size. Okay, how much we should put? Maybe 50?
50.
Let's try 50 size. It's still big.
A bit smaller.
Maybe
30.
30. Okay, let's try 30.
30 is good.
30 is good. A little bit smaller. Let's see how this looks like in the big screen. I think it's still too big. We'll make it on 20. Okay, let's try 20. 20. 20 is fine. Let's see. Yes, 20 is fine. 20 is good. Super. Okay, now, but let's see again if I try this one. Now, you remember this background, we put it here in a go to back layer. So for our sprite, we will do the same, but
go to front layer.
Bravo, go to front layer. So go to the front layer, but when go button is clicked. So how do we call this green flag? We call it go button. So when the program start, okay, when the program start, it will be in the front and the background will be in the back. This is cool. It looks good. I already like it. Now what we need to do, we need to change some costumes, right?
Yes. So we go to the costumes tab.
We go to the costumes tab, and then we can go here in the costumes tab, but we will choose upload. Now click on the upload and we will add more costumes. Maybe this one that is running. Okay, so we have one normal costume and then one costume for running. Let's add all of them now so we don't need to worry about that later on. So again, go on upload. Back. Go on the upload, click,
upload.
Bravo, click, and then we choose this one that is
falling.
Oh, okay.
He is sad because he fell.
Gets some damage, and then we choose this one when it's a game over. Okay, and then what will happen when we win? We need to celebrate. We will add this one. Okay, perfect. So now we have normal sprite,
running sprites, hurt sprite,
okay,
end of the game, and Ro-Byte 1.
Good job. Okay, now what we will do here as well, we have this one that is running, but what if it's running to the left side, like if it's running to the back? Okay, so what we can do, we can copy this one and we will choose here right click and then duplicate. Now we have two, and look what we will do. This one is Ro-Byte run 2. We will just click here, flip horizontal, and then it looks like it's running back. Huh?
Oh yeah.
It's cool. So this one is running to the right side and this one is running to the left side. Okay, we will do the same for this one over here. Let's right click, click, right click, choose duplicate, bravo, and flip
horizontal.
Very good. Now we have all we need.